If you take lots of photos or videos of your family, your daily life, or when you're out for the weekend or on holiday, sooner or later you're going to run into storage problems. Maybe you run out of room on your phone. Now, one way of solving that problem is by buying 1 billion hard drives to store your photos and videos, so you can offload the photos from your iPhone to your computer and then back them up that way. And that works, but when you start getting into multiple drives, it starts to become a real hassle to manage them and know what's on each drive unless you have a great filing system. And who has time, right? You barely have time to open and look at your footage, let alone archive it. You just want to enjoy your photos and videos. The other thing is that unless you have some kind of syncing or cloud storage setup, well then your photos are either locked up on your device, your phone or your camera or the computer that you use to look at the files on that hard drive. If you're not careful, you end up with collecting a lot of great footage and never really seeing it or sharing it with your family and friends, never actually enjoying what you've shot. Does that sound like you? Because it certainly sounds like me. So what can you do? In fact, what am I going to do? If you have Apple devices, that solution is coming right up. iCloud, and more specifically iCloud Plus, looks like the solution to my problems. And here's why. Let me run through the 2 biggest reasons why I'm turning on the massive 2 terabyte option for iCloud Plus, and one problem that Apple still has to address and that I'm hoping for in 2022. First, iCloud Photos works with the Photos app across your devices to keep your photos and videos securely stored in iCloud and up to date on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Mac, Apple TV, and iCloud.com. And I've got 5 of those 6 possible devices and places to look at my synced videos and photos. iCloud Photos automatically keeps every photo and video you take in iCloud, so you can access your library from any device anytime you want. Any changes you make to your collection on one device changes on your other devices too. Your photos and videos are organized into years, months, days, and all photos, and all of your memories and people are updated everywhere. That way you can quickly find the moment, family member, or friend you're looking for. And to be honest, this is the part of the Apple Photos app that I most enjoy. The curated photo and video moments that you can also export out to music and share, or simply view and enjoy on your device. You can look at these curated features on your Apple Watch too, which I also love. Here's a little bit about how it works under the hood. Your photos and videos are stored in iCloud at their original formats at full resolution, including special formats you capture with your iPhone or iPad, like slow-mo, time-lapse, 4K videos and live photos. When you edit or delete photos or videos, it's reflected across all your devices. Those photos and videos stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days before they're deleted permanently, just in case you need to fish one out again. Second, one of iCloud's biggest perks is its ability to store large photo files taken with your iPhone, so you can fill up your iPhone storage with other items. Even with a phone with a lot of storage space, this is incredibly valuable, and you may even be able to consider getting a phone with a lesser amount of inbuilt storage and save some money doing that too. So here's that problem I mentioned before, and it's been a bit of a problem for quite some time now. It's actually been holding me back, but I just can't not have iCloud anymore. Still, I'm hoping Apple solves this problem before too long. The problem is all about finding a simple native app way for family members to unify their photo libraries. Sure, you can create a shared album, but there's no way for me to properly share my photo access for my wife to copy my photos to her own library. If your family is anything like mine, well, our iPhones are probably our main cameras, so we really need an easy way for us to see and copy these photos over to each other's libraries. There are workarounds, or you can do things like share through AirDrop or iMessage, but there really should be a better solution that doesn't mean I have to go through uploading the camera roll to some other storage solution like Google Drive and then download them to a Mac to merge into iCloud Photos. That seems like madness. It seems like Google have solved this problem on Google Photos, where you can select to share photos of only specific people through face recognition. So come on, Apple, let's get with it here. iCloud Plus, which has been launched as a free upgrade to iCloud, also has a bunch of other features that now come as standard, including iCloud Private Relay, which lets you browse the web with increased privacy, and Hide My Email, which lets you create randomly generated burner email addresses to create new accounts around the web. But the main thing for me is the ability to access photos and videos across multiple devices and to be able to free up space on my iPhone and iPad too. It doesn't mean I'm going to be able to totally do away with hard drive backups, but my photos and videos won't now be buried in hard drives that I honestly barely ever use. They'll now live on and be enjoyed every day on my devices, and I'll be able to share them too. Altogether, a more personalized and enjoyable experience, and for me, that makes the cost worth it. I'll be switching it on any day now, so I'll let you know how I get on. Check out this video for more from me. I'm Saab Johal. Thanks for watching. See you back here soon, right? Sub and hit that bell for more from me, and take care out there.